Hello, today we are going to be making a What Your Plants funny garden stakes, and more so for indoor plants. And I grabbed this file on Etsy, and I can post the link to that in the description. So I am using a piece of Baltic birch partial that I'm trying to use up here. So I'm just gonna try to put these in here how they most make sense to me. And you know what, I'm thinking if I have the room, I may just do a double, just because these have been super popular and I've been selling quite a lot of them. So I'm just gonna try to get that accomplished here. And then I just wanted to talk to you guys about the file. So when you purchase it on Etsy, it does come with all of these as engraved, and you will have to change the settings. Unfortunately, the owner did not tell me that. So the first one I messed up on, so hopefully your first one turns out just fine. So you will want to change, if you're using the same Baltic birch, these are my settings. The first is engrave, and I have that at 535 and 55. And then the second one is a score, 331. And the second is 160 and full. Okay, now that that is all set, I have some duplicates. I do select it as medium draft board. These are just the settings that work out well for me. And I'm going to change my file so I can find it in the future a lot easier. And go ahead and click print. Once your button is blinking and ready to go, click that. Make sure your vent is in place and your fan is on if you are using a fan. And let's watch. Done. So you can go ahead and lift your lid. I'm going to turn my fan off so it's a little quieter. And I did forget to mask this because I thought I was just using that at first, and I added the doubles. So the last set I did, I actually had this engraving set on 77 or 75, something like that. I changed this to 55, and I like the way it looks way better. So obviously there's masking on this, we can take that off, and super cute.